Trump's giving everyone $2,000. Imagine waking up and finding a $2,000 check sitting in your bank account. No stimulus, no tax refund, no Congress approval, just money magically landing in your account because Trump said there's a new tariff rebate program coming. But here's the twist almost nobody is talking about. This entire $2,000 promise might not be a gift, it might be an entire cover-up. Because right now, as you're watching this, the Supreme Court is reviewing whether Trump's tariff system was illegal, and judges are already signaling they might not side with his administration. And if Trump loses, the United States has to pay back every dollar collected from tariffs with interest. That means companies get paid, importers get paid, and even you, if you ever paid import duties yourself, would be entitled to your money back. So suddenly the $2,000 rebate looks less like free money and more like hush money. Let's break this all down. There are going to be 5 very important chapters to this video that you do not want to miss, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, jumping into chapter number 1, let's talk about what Trump actually promised. He wants a universal tariff on imports and higher tariffs on specific countries. The government collects the money and sends rebate checks up to $2,000 a year back to American households. Sounds like a stimulus without calling it a stimulus. But here's the truth. Tariffs raise prices on everyday goods. You pay more at checkout. The money goes to the government, then the government gives a small piece of it back to you later. It's like someone taking 100 from your wallet and then giving you 20 back. And then smiling at you like they did you a favor. But that's not even the craziest part. The real twist is coming. Now, moving on to chapter number 2, how tariff rebates really work. Tariffs aren't paid by China, they're not paid by Mexico, they're not paid by overseas companies, they're paid by American importers. And guess what importers do? They raise prices on you. Meaning, every time you bought clothes, electronics, furniture, appliances, or anything imported, you paid the tariff. Not China, not manufacturers, you. So when Trump says you'll get a rebate, it's literally a refund of money you already paid. Not free, not bonus, not stimulus. Just your own money returning later in smaller amounts after prices already went up. And guess what happens if you don't file for the rebate? You get nothing. The clock is ticking and then the Supreme Court bombshell hits. Now, moving on to chapter number 3, let's talk about the winners, losers, and the coming price spike that nobody's talking about. The winners are going to be high-spending families, anyone who buys lots of imported goods, households who stay organized and file paperwork, and people who treat the rebate like a tax refund. And the losers? Low-income households hit hardest by price hikes, people living paycheck to paycheck, consumers drowning in credit card debt, people who never claim the rebate, anyone confused with the application process, and companies forced to raise prices again to cover the legal mess. This program only helps you if you play the game correctly. If you don't, you'll be paying more while getting nothing back. And because of the Supreme Court case, this entire setup might be actually hiding something much bigger. Now, moving on to chapter number 4, why you must understand this now. Prices are already high. Groceries, gas, rent, energy, insurance, and credit cards. And a tariff-based rebate system increases prices even more. So if your budget's already tight, a $2,000 check won't fix the damage. But here's the real reason why this matters. Tariffs would raise billions in government revenue instantly. And when the Supreme Court rules on whether the tariffs were legal, that revenue could become a massive liability. Meaning the US government might owe back every dollar they collected with interest. That's when the rebate starts to look suspicious. Moving on to chapter number 5, the Supreme Court bombshell, the part that nobody else tells you. Now here's the real shocker. Multiple Supreme Court justices have already signaled they may not support Trump's tariff structure, because if tariffs were imposed improperly or without the right congressional authority, they were in fact illegal. And if they were illegal, the United States must refund all tariff money. Let me say that again, all of it. Every company that paid import duties, every importer who lost millions, every American who bought foreign goods and paid higher prices. The US would owe them refunds plus interest, which in fact could total hundreds of billions of dollars. So suddenly the $2,000 rebate makes perfect sense. It's not a gift, it's a pre-refund, a quiet payout. It's a let's keep Americans quiet so they don't come asking for the whole amount. A $2,000 hush payment? Think about it. If Americans get $2,000 now, Trump can later say, well, I already reimbursed them, instead of owing everyone far more. So this isn't a stimulus, this is a financial shield for the government, and nobody is talking about it. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. So let's talk about how to prepare before prices rise and before the rebate system launches. Number 1, track your spending. Know how much you spend on imported goods. Number 2, prepare for price hikes. Electronics, clothing, furniture, expect 5 to 25% increases. Number 3, strengthen your emergency savings. Even 300 to 500 makes a difference. Number 4, clean up your credit. We talk about this all the time because high prices plus high interest debt equals disaster. And 5, stay updated on rebate filing rules. If the program requires applications, deadlines, or documents, people who aren't ready will miss out. Number 6, keep your receipts for imported goods. If tariffs are ruled illegal, you may be entitled to your own refund later. A great example, UPS and FedEx has sent me actual duties that I had to pay for items that were actually imported into the United States. I kept those emails in a specific email box, so if I need them later, I'm going to have them ready to file for my refund. And number 7, don't blow the 2,000. If it comes, use it to strengthen your finances. Not go backwards, go forward. But if you ignore all of this, here's the chain reaction. Prices rise, your budget squeezed, and bills pile up. Credit cards fill up, rebate is delayed or confusing, you miss the filing window, and then the Supreme Court rules tariffs illegal. And you could have been owed way more than the 2,000. Meanwhile, the people who prepared get rebates, refunds, interest payments, and financial protection, and you get nothing except higher prices. This $2,000 promise might save you, or it might be used to distract you from the fact that the government owes you way more money. And if you want to be on the winning side when this all unfolds, here's what you do next. Last part's the most important. If you want the full step-by-step breakdown on exactly how to prepare, what documents you might need, and how to position yourself to get the maximum amount back, make sure to comment rebate and I'll send you everything. Don't wait, prices are rising now. The Supreme Court decision is coming soon. And if Trump loses this case, refunds could explode overnight. I'll help you be one of the people who gets paid, not one of the people who gets pushed aside. Don't forget to comment rebate and smash that like button and I'll walk you through the exact steps most people will never know until it's too late. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here because it's going to show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.